good evening everyone. Isang mapagpalang hapon or gabi sa inyo lahat and welcome to our live. Uy! It's a violation. Nandito tayo ngayon sa lungsod ng Pasig para na naman sa isang kapanapanabik na basketball game between the DGI versus the Vivo. Ayan na, number 20 and put basket is good. 2-0. And shoutout po kala Ma'am IB Yeng and Sir Jasper Yeng. Yes, watching. Ayan. There we go. Bombase. Drop pass. Oopsie. There's a foul. First shot is good for DGI. Anong time ba ito? Anong time po tayo? Basket, tabla tayo. Let's go! Second round na po tayo ng ating season between DGI versus the Vivo. Oh, no good. Parehas 2-1 ang kanilang standing as of now. That's a DGI basketball. Number 5 up and under, no good. Rebound ng Vivo. Pass number 8, running shot, no good. Rebound by DGI. Here comes the DGI. Katanyag, up and under. What a move by Katanyag. 4-2 ang ating talaan. Number 20. Uy, that's a foul by Katanyag. Wala pa tayong penalty, idol. Ayan na at the post. Fake. Tubig. Basket. Tablaw tayo sa apat. Outlet pass. Ooh. Bad pass. The floor manager of the Vivo. Another steal. Here comes number 9. Bombales, and there's a basket. It's good. Rubin dribbling the ball, crossovers, up and under, drop pass number 15, pull up, no good, rebound by number 3, Aina Derecho, there's a block, Aina makuha, out of bounds. Tupin. Pull up Jay, in and out. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, nabitawan. Steal by number 3. Pass number 19. Bombales, drop pass. Running shot, no good. Another rebound and basket count and 1. That is second personal foul. First shot is good for a 3-point play. A 9-4. Number 15 pull up. Wala. Rebound ng DGI. Number 3. Another steal by Tupin. Pass number 7. No good. Rebound. Another steal for DGI, but there's a foul by Halandoni. That's a dribble. DGI basketball. Cross-court pass, number 19 for 3. Yes! Para sa Tares. Night. Alas 7 pa lang. Oy! Steal by number 25. Katanyag. Fake. Uy, good. Pass number 5 for 3. Yes, sir. By jersey number 5. That is Albert. And change 5. 15-4 ang ating talaan.
Patrick Abe. Patrick Abe, nagdadala ng bola. Patrick Abe.
Abe. Deny sa corner. Pull up day. No good. Another rebound. For jersey number 8. Binigay. Steal. By Bombales. Bombales. Uy, wala. Another rebound for Vivo. Number 7. Running shot. No good. Rebound ng DGI. Pass number 12. 4-3. No good. Out of bounds. Bad pass.
Alimante, nagdadala ng bola. Alimante.
Number 12, fake. Pass number 18, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Halandoni. Number 8, no good. Katanyag. Fake. And that's a travel. Number 8. Basket. 15-6 in favor of the DGI. And there's a foul.
Penalty na, Bobare, will shoot 2 free throw. Bobare.
Bombales, first shot, no good.
Second number, Bobare.
Basket. 16-6.
Patrick Abe, dribbling the ball. Abe. 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 Oh, pinasakay ko, pinasakay.
Pull up J, miss, rebound ng DGI number 3. Steal by number 20. Ay na, libre by Halandoni. For easy to 16-8. Bombales. Uy. Drapas. Oh, miscommunication. Ayan, look out pass. Or no, look pass. Abe, drive to number 20. But there's a foul. First shot by Raymond. Second shot. miss. Rebound. Uy. Out of bounds. Penalty ba? Penalty daw po. Abe, on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot, miss. Oh, but there's a foul. Katanyag, miss. Second shot for Katanyag. Wala pa rin. Ayan na, but this time, tignan natin kung may papasok. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Vivo. Number 20. Ooh, steal. Uy, too strong. Spin. There's a foul. Alandoni. Oh, walang tawag. Rebound. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. Oh! Wait lang. Mukhang basket ata. Oopsie. No basket. Sayang, munti ka na. Alright, official score 60-9 sa pagtatapos ng ating first set. And maraming salamat po sa ating mga organizer. Ayan, sa ating company. Thank you sa Simi Incorporation, One Drone Incorporation. And maraming salamat po sa One Orange Telecommunication Trading Incorporation. Nandiyan ang AMMSI Gizmo Central. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And XMB. Ayan, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Lamang dito ang DGI. Tabla daw po sila sa standing with a 2-1 this season sa ating Papaus Gaming ng ating liga. Alright, back to the ball game. DGI basketball, second quarter. Let's go, Albert. Bombares, kick out. Katanyag, pull up, rebound ng Vivo, outlet pass. Number 8, oy, wala. Another rebound, number 15, using the board and score. Baba sa lamang ng DGI. Albert, pass to Bombares. Katanyag, 4-3, in and out, rebound. Uy, what a block by Vivo. By Raymond. Ayan na ang kabila, binigay. Number 15, too strong. Number 7 with a putback. Down by 3, Bombares, nagmamadali. Spin, drop pass. Oh, what a drop. Bombares with a putback. 18. Ayan na sa kabila. Katanyag, taas number 3, pass to Tupin. Tupin and gets the foul by Katanyag. Tupin on the free throw area. Tupin, wala. Tupin, basket. Down by 4. Katanyag, top of the key, 4-3, no good, rebound. 3 against 1, oh, wala. Bad pass. Or nice defense para sa DGI. Bombares. Cross. Pinasa loob. Wala. Rebound. And 1. Basket count by Halandoni. Jersey number 3 on the free throw area. Basket is good. Abe. Pass number 15. Block from behind. No good. 3 against 1. Number 12. What a pass. Umatake. Get the basket is good. Lumalaki na naman ang kalamangan ng DGI. Spin. Oh. Steal. Pass number 12. Another steal. Tupin. What a pass. Block from behind. But there's a foul. Technical for Raymond for behavior. Bonus shot for DGI jersey number 3. First shot miss. Same ball. Pass number 5. Katanyag. Steal by Halandoni. Short. Tupin and gets the basket. Bombares. Oh, still. Pati ka na magawan. What an extra pass. Libre doon. Wala. Another rebound by DGI, but there's a foul. Ayun na, nagkakainitan na sa kabilang grupo. Gets the 3, miss. Rebound ng Vivo. Abe, nagmamadali, binigay. Pull up jumper, miss. Rebound by Bombares. Katanyag to number 3, no good. Adelante para extra pass. Steal. Ayan na, libre. All the way by number 3 for easy 2 points. Time out. Or sorry, substitution. Mandatory substitution. Official score is 23. 18 in favor of DGI. Albert. Kick out Bombares, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng Vivo. Vivo nagpapadali. Uy, but there's a foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Second attempt. No. Rebound. Ay na nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Vivo team. No good. No good. Rebound ng Vivo. Matake. Too strong. What an ace layup by jersey number 3. Down by 3. 23. Oh, correction. It's 21. 23. According sa ating official. DGI Basketball. Katangnyag. Pass number 18. Oh, there's a 3 seconds violation. Ang itlog sa loob. Patrick Abe. Pass to Patrick. Nabitawan. Steal ng DGI. Katanyag. Whoa. There's a trouble. Para kay Katanyag. Outlet pass. Patrick Abe. What a drive. Basket. For 2 points. Tabla tayo sa 23. Albert binigay. 4-3 short. Out of bounds. DGI Basketball. Number 19. Uy, walang tawag. Katanyag. Basket is good. Out the pass. Topin miss. There's a foul. Albert setting on the play. Katanyag cross. Katanyag drive. But there's a foul. That is first personal foul. Miss. Second shot. Wala. Tupin, too strong. Number 3. Basket. Tabla tayo, dikitan lang ang laban. Bombares, what a close! Uy, ganda ng pasa naman ni Bombares. Katanyag with a steal, with a drive, no good. Rebound again by Katanyag. Katanyag spin, uy! Nahilo na pasobra. Ang DJ, Patrick. Oh! Tabla tayo sa 27. And that's the end of our first half. Tabla tayo sa 27. Ayan, magkakapuna tayo for the meantime at pagbabalik para sa ating second half. All 21. Ayan, shoutout mo muli tayo sa ating mga and we'd like to thanks ang lahat ng mubo ng ating liga. Ayan, nandyan ang ECI Group, Mancom, Ronald Chan, Alma Buentipo, Aubrey Estilier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ang, Nes Garoy, Patricia Dolot, Jovel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hannah Kalimon. Ayan, pinapa-shoutout po yan ng ating burihing Ma'am Ivy Yang and Sir Jasper Yang. Salamat sa inyong suporta sa ating liga dito, sa ating Team 1. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Ayan, this is the Team 1, the smarter, the bolder, and the stronger. We innovate, we evolve. Hanggang sa muli for the second half. Don't go away.